was the birth anniversary of the Bharat Ratna and the architects of the Constitution of India, Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar. The speakers have already briefed you the biography of the great man, legend, Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar, and the beautiful songs that have been sung by the music department, and very nice speech have been delivered by Dr. Neeta Pant ma'am as well as our children. So I thank all of you for making this program, though it was very short. And what I feel it has become very unfortunate in our country. The people, they have done something extraordinary for the country. People, they hardly remember them. The way the things should have been celebrated yesterday in all over country, it was unfortunate that, especially in the school, what I hated, because we are also bound to follow the rules and the instructions which are given by the government, and especially I feel in schools, whenever there is the birth anniversary of, or maybe the death anniversary, or maybe a special day of anything, then it should make mandatory to the school to celebrate such type of things in a great way, so that the children, they will get to know about these great people, those who have not only made their name in the country, but have had something for the people of this country. So I pay homage to our architect of the Indian Constitution, and see, as far as the skill, talent is concerned, that is not concerned to the religion, caste. If you have the potential, if you have the zeal to do something, then you won't find any bar on your way. It is the perfect example which Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar, Bharat Ratna, had shown to the citizen of our country. बच्चों, इससे ज्यादा एक और अच्छी बात आप देख रहे हैं, जो डॉक्टर भीमराव अंबेडकर का साहब का जो पोर्ट्रेट यहाँ पर है, ये जो पोर्ट्रेट है, जो स्केच है, it has been made by our art teacher Vinita ma'am. So I thank Vinita ma'am, because I had asked her that Bhimrao Ambedkar's sketch we want handmade, so she had made it, and I once again thank ma'am for making this beautiful sketch of the Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar. So give a big round of applause to ma'am. So once again, though it was yesterday, but I thought, as the head of the institution and that too in the educational system, that we must have this program, and we must get to know the things which the person has done it for the country to our children. And I hope by all the speeches which have been delivered by the students and the Neeta ma'am, you must have got to know how this person has started his journey and to reach the highest point of the country, which is always recognized by the Bharat Ratna. Thank you.